Mental Health America of South Central Kansas is very pleased to formally announce the return of a vital tool in serving the mental health needs of our city's youth. As part of our division of programs dedicated to proactively preventing mental illness rather than spend additional tax dollars on services that retroactively treat them, MHA is thrilled to once again offer play therapy services to children ages 4 years and up. Play therapy is a tool that provides our youngest citizens with a way to tell us how the social determinants of health within their homes, their families, their schools, and their friends group are impacting them on a day-to-day level. It's fine to add a park to a neighborhood, but what if one child is not allowed to visit? It's great to place a grocery store in a food desert, but what if the child's mother doesn't know how to prepare healthy meals? It's wonderful to improve the performance metrics of a school, but what if the child's parents won't allow a tutor into the home to assist their child with homework because they're embarrassed by the mess that they never seem to have time to clean? It's these stories and thousands just like them that the youth of our community need to tell. Macro solutions are great for our neighborhoods in aggregate, but there are always going to be little Sallys and little Timmys and their families who exist more than 2 standard deviations from the mean in some aspect of their lives. And while we as adults can cope with that differential, it's easy to forget that the youngest among us have not yet created those coping mechanisms in their minds. While it's not the first time that we have offered these services, our previous play therapy program was unfortunately a casualty of the COVID pandemic. Limited private funds, a concentration by those outside of the agency on only the most immediate needs, and a difficulty by many to understand the long-term impact of mental health in our children caused that program to be suspended for a while. However, this past spring, we were able to hire 2 therapists who specialize in play therapy and 2 more that offer therapy with play techniques. These 4 therapists have undergone extensive training, and one of them will actually be formally certified in this type of therapy later this summer. We are very grateful to those individuals and members of Wichita's corporate sector, such as Blue Cross Blue Shield of Kansas, Thrive Restaurant Group, and Commerce Bank, who invest financially in our work of strengthening Wichita through offering mental health care to all those in need, regardless of their ages or their financial circumstances.